Okay, I'm getting started on little Zeus. That's the plaque on his upper and lower back molars. You can see where my index finger is. Okay, let's look at the other side. The sensor came off the tongue, but okay. This is the other side here. You can see that he's got an awful lot of plaque. Ooh, he got a lot of them on that upper molar there. Okay. Well, here are his teeth, all cleaned. The plaque has been removed. Inside and out are all around the teeth. He only lost 2, and they were loose. The small upper, very back molars. That's real common for dogs to lose them. I'm amazed his teeth were not in as bad a shape as I thought they were. He did lose one of his third upper incisor, the one just before the left upper canine. That was loose too. But the other teeth were extremely healthy. That's just a little stain on his teeth from the upper back molar where I removed it. A little bit of bleeding, not anything serious. But all the plaque is gone all the way around the teeth. And I'm very pleased. You keep using those little green chews that he eats, because it appears that they're working. Chihuahuas are notorious for having bad teeth, but I'm amazed. His were good health. His gums were great. All right, I want him to be on antibiotics for at least 21 more days. You're on standing refill. Hey, this is great. You're doing a great job on this boy.